National Weather Service in Colombia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Glasscock County, Georgia, southern Warren County, Georgia, southern McDuffie County, Georgia, northern Jefferson County, Georgia, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Norwood, or over Kamek, moving south at 10 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. The following hazards are expected: 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. At 2 p.m., a wind gust to 83 miles per hour was recorded in Norwood along with extensive tree and building damage. The following impacts are expected: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Norwood, Kamek, Warrenton, Gibson, Edge Hill and Stapleton. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties: Glasscock, Warren, McDuffie and Jefferson. The National Weather Service in Flagstaff has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Coconino County, eastern Yavapai County, until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 4:28 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Prescott, or 5 miles west of Yavapai Hills, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard: softball-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations in the warning include Prescott, Prescott Valley, Yavapai Hills, Cottonwood, Sedona and Flagstaff. For your protection, move to the lowest floor of a sturdy building. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for north-central Arizona.